Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a pair of basic shoes which will fit 13 to 14 inch dolls like the Disney Princess toddler dolls and similar sized dolls. They're made of easy to sew felt, which is always nice to work with. Before we begin, please go to chellywood.com to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown here. Mark each piece indicating the right and left feet. For this, I use a Dritz Fabric Pencil, and I just put a very light R on the right foot and L on the left foot. Put one set of shoe pieces away for a moment. Connect the notches for the sole and outer fabric for just one foot's shoe. Stitch starting at the notch and sewing around, connecting the sole to the outer edge of the outer fabric until you reach the heel. Then start sewing again at the notch, sewing around until you reach the heel again. Now I'm using a backstitch for this, and you can find a link to my backstitch tutorial again in the description area below. Once you've attached the sole to the outer fabric, you may find there's extra felt at the heel of your shoe. I recommend that you try the shoe on your doll before you do this next step, and then mark where you want the heel to be. Just place the shoe over her foot, wrong side out, and draw a line with a fabric pencil where you will want to sew. Now I use, again, Dritz Fabric Pencils for marking my fabrics. If you need one, there is a link in the description area below. Once marked, you're going to cut the extra felt from the heel, allowing a little bit of a seam allowance, like maybe 5 millimeters. Okay, so I have marked mine. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. I've put it on my doll, and now I'm going to trim away some of this extra fabric so that I don't have bulk, okay? And then you just stitch along the line that you've drawn. Again, I'm using a back stitch here. Turn the shoe right side out. I use sometimes a chopstick to help me with this. Now you can go back to get your other foot's shoe. So always keep working with just one at a time. You're going to follow the same directions to make this shoe, the one for the opposite foot, making sure that your notch is on the flip side from what you did before. Once you've finished making a pair, it's time to try them on a doll. For more free, printable PDF sewing patterns for making doll clothes that will fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Chelly Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
But don't worry, you don't have to be really good at math to learn how to take a pattern you already own and make adjustments to that pattern so it will fit a different doll. And that's just one feature of pattern alterations. In my class, you'll also learn how to shorten and lengthen a pair of pants, and how to turn a pair of pants into shorts, or how to widen them at the waist, and even how to lengthen the inseam for taller dolls. We'll also learn how to adjust a skirt, making skirts that are more full or less full for a totally different look, and I'll show you how to create a gusset for a dress bodice and how to design your own waistband for a skirt based on your doll's measurements. I'll walk you through the steps to several different pattern alterations, teaching you how to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves and how to make felt prototypes before you finalize your pattern. Regardless of the size or shape of the doll you enjoy sewing for, altering your patterns will help you turn your creative ideas for making original doll clothes into a variety of patterns for making shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, and dresses.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.